Hi guys, it's AC Coding here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to implement stack in C++ language. Okay, we'll make our new project, Windows 32 console application. Click on finish. This is our main project. Let's add a class. We'll add a class of stack. Add here. Name it as stack. Click on finish. Here it is. This is our class. Let's move to libraries, add some libraries. There are some libraries like iostream, conio.h, conio.h, and using namespace std. Okay, these are the libraries. Now in our class we'll declare our private data members that are integer. I'm taking it integer. You can also take it as character. My array. Uh, Give it a size, integer top. Uh, on here I'm going to declare my size of array. Name size I'm declaring 100 array. Place it over here. This is our 100 size array. Okay, this has been done. Now in our public we will declare functions. Function is, we will take bool is empty. We're going to check that our stack is empty or not. Bool is full. We're going to check that our stack is full or not. Void push. We're going to insert our data by using this function, integer pop. We're going to pop out our data, and in the end I'm going to display my data, and this will give me the whole result that I put in my stack. Okay, for our push function we're going to add an integer. I'm going to tell you about this integer later. Now let's move again. Okay, I forgot to put over here. Go to class definition. In our constructor we will declare our top as equal to -1. Okay, now here I'm going to declare our function. First function our will be is empty. In this I'm going to check that whether my stack is empty or not. For this I'm going to write top equal to -1. If this condition is true, that means our stack is empty. Return true, else return false. Okay, similarly I'm going to make another function that will give me whether my stack is full or not. These both functions are almost same. Write if top equal to size -1. Remember I declare my size as 100. So whenever my stack goes to 99, because it's starting from -1, it's always going to be 1 decremented. Return true, else return false. Okay. Now I'm going to write push function here. I'm going to take integer value. I'm using this integer because it will take value from the user and pass it into the stack. Here I'm going to show you my array that we declare in our private data members. I'm going to top equals to value. first you have to write it as top plus plus, because we're going to add our data on the index 0. From the beginning we declared our index as -1. Here it is, this is our -1. And then this is storing our stack. Now for popping, we'll write another function, take it, use its data type as integer because it's going to return a value. Write it over here, pop my nope. We're going to write integer value equal to my array top. mm, Top minus minus, this will decrement, it will move our index from, for example, if it's on 1, it will decrement it to 0. Return value, here it is, value has been returned. Now in last I'm going to write our display function, stack display. In our display function I'm going to put a condition, a while loop. It will check that whether our stack is empty or not. While our stack is not empty, mm, empty, it will going to give us value my array top. Okay, this is it. And here I'm going to write top decrement. This will going to give us value. Let me add checks in my push and pop functions. I forgot to write them. Here we're going to write our checks. If is not is full, if our condition is true, if it is not full, only then we can add our value, else you write a statement as cout stack is full. This is the exception we're going to use in our push function. Now similarly we're going to write same here, if not is empty, we're going to use this function, brackets, and here we're going to write another bracket. Okay, this is it, this is our pop function. Pop function has been created, our display function has been created, and now we'll have to move on to our main function. Our main function, first we need to do is to add our library, library of stack. It will going to be the same name you declared as your stack class. I declared as a stack, so you're going to add this library. Here I'm going to make object of my class. I'm going to make our object as s1, declare it s1 dot, I'm going to write push. Let's suppose I'm going to add 8 in my stack. Okay, copy this and paste it over here so we can check it later. I'm going to comment it for now just to check my pop function. I'm going to write pop function s1 dot pop here. Return get ch. Okay, this is done. Now let's debug it. Yes, here guys, this is giving me the value 8. Now let's check whether my stack is working or not, because as you know guys, stack means that first in and last in first out. So I'm going to again uncomment these, and add some random values into it. For example, 2, 9, 4. For right now I'm going to comment my pop function, and yes, I'm going to use my display function. This is it, my display function. Now we're going to debug it. Hopefully it will going to work. Let's see. Here it is. It's giving me value 4928. You can check it here that I insert my values as 8294, and here it is giving me 4928. That means that the last value I insert into the stack is the first value that is giving me as output. Okay, so here it is guys, I show you how to implement stack in C++. Hope you guys like it. If you like it, share it with your friends, and press the like button. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon for latest update videos. Okay, so bye friends.